Hi guys. Okay, so I'm coming at you with something different, and I'm just gonna wing it. Okay, you guys are here with me, and we're gonna wing it. I bought from Jordan Fabrics. I could not wait, you guys. So I bought some download patterns. I am in love with the Quilt Factory patterns. Yeah, I just started doing the Hugs and Kisses one, and boy, oh boy, you guys, I cannot recommend it enough. It is so much fun. So I ended up getting a simple 6 quilt pattern. So this one's a 6 yards, and this one's called Starlight Starbright. So that was a digital download. So that was one, and then I got 4 of them, I think. I'm trying to slow my roll a little. Oh Beautiful. That she had, okay, what ended up happening is I binge watch all of Donna's videos, my BFF, stalker alert. But I just watched this video and I was like so inspired, and I thought, oh my gosh, that looks like so much fun. That looks easy. I love doing a variety of quilts, so I was like, yes. And then I didn't want to wait. It's not like I'm going to start it in the next 2 weeks, but I just don't want to wait right now. So I bought the digitals, and I don't mind the digitals. This one's Oh Little Star. Oh my gosh, you guys. These look so fun, and oh, they really do. They look easier and like a lot of fun. Winter Chill. Oh yes. So in love, you guys. So those are the 4. Now what's going to be odd about this video is that I'm going to show you the Hugs and Kisses one. And if you watch that video, then you know that I had, I think, 2 different hauls. Let me put that here. But this is a regular pattern. So I showed you my thought process on these. Oh, let me scoot you back out. So I made 2 blocks. Now, I am only showing you this video because I thought Donna, she is very inspiring to me. She is so inspiring to me, and I dig her quilting. And she said something the other day that I just thought, I think in this actual quilt that she made, she said, I'm not looking for perfection. I'm looking to have fun while sewing. And that just resonated with me so much that I was like, yeah, because my husband's been telling me this from day one. My husband says, if it's not fun, why are you doing it? He says, if it's more stressful than anything, why are you doing it? He says, just do the fun. So what my husband and I agreed upon was that I would pay extra to my long armor, who's my friend, if she would do my binding for me and do my backing. I give her all that stuff and she does it because I like doing the tops. I like focusing on the tops. The background, the backing, I was finding that I was being real janky with it. Because I don't like it. So I was just cutting and cutting, and I thought, I am making more work for my friend than anything. And I thought, you know, let me pay her the extra. And you're just talking a couple of dollars, you know, just to have her do it, and her at least get her do it the right way, the way that she wants. That will work for her to make her job easier. And so my husband and I agreed that it was just let her do the harder stuff that I don't want to do, and let me focus on the fun stuff. And for me, the fun stuff is the top. And that is where I want to focus on. So I want to encourage you guys to also, I am a perfectionist and I hate not being perfect. Kimberly Jolly, she is like perfect. I wish I could be perfect, but I can't be. And I don't know why my brain is not wrapping around being perfect. And it drives me insane. And I had to stop myself from doing that, from quilting that way, because it was stressing me out. I was getting frustrated. I wasn't enjoying it. I was ripping out a lot of my stuff. And then I watched Donna's video and I was like, you know what? I agree. I agree wholeheartedly with the fact that I want to enjoy the process of sewing and just not worrying if things are perfect. And that's okay. And once I let that go, I end up having even more fun than normal. And so I want to be perfect. I really do. And I'm trying my hardest, you guys. But it just doesn't happen every single time. And that's okay. But I wanted to tell you this only because, and then I wanted to show you this. This is as far as I got because I haven't been able to quilt in the last couple days. But so this is my first block that I did. Now, when I was doing my first block, I was like, okay, I'm not on point. My points were not lining up, and I thought, oh, you know, okay, what am I doing wrong? And so, but then I started thinking, okay, I want to fix my mistakes to be better at this, but it doesn't have to be perfect, right? So it's like a, you know, it's a fine line, but I was okay with that because, you know, I'm home alone. And I quilt when I'm home alone. My husband works 24 hours and stuff. So when he's at work, I do my project life and I do my quilting. And I love it. And then when he's home, I focus solely on him. And so so I talk to myself a lot because, you know, I'm my own best company sometimes. So I'm like, why are you not doing this right and stuff? So then I was like, okay. So then the next block I decided to focus and see what I was doing wrong, that, you know, how can I improve? And then I figured it out, you guys, and it basically, I got to slow my roll and calm down a little bit and basically focus. And that's what I lack the most of for myself, is focus. And if you watch any of my videos, and if you watch my Project Life videos, then you understand how I lose focus. And so this is trying to teach my brain to slow down, concentrate on what I'm doing, and my blocks ended up being way better. Way better, you guys. So this was, let me show you. Let me scoot you in, okay? That way you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can, I mean, it's glaring right there. But when it gets quilted down, it's not a big deal and you don't even tell. But you can see that I'm not even on point and everything else. But here I am. And so I will tell you right now, as someone who tries to be perfect and isn't, it's okay. It is okay. Just have fun with the process. And honestly, I love, this is how this is going to go. This is your hugs and kisses, right? So this is only 2 blocks in, you guys. And I fell in love with the half square triangles. I really was scared of half square triangles, flying geese for the longest time because it's, you know, you want to be perfect, right? Those are, like, to me, the hardest blocks that you can do are the half square triangles and the flying geese. But when I let myself just be me and just relax, breathe, woosa, then it was like, oh, okay, I got better. So yeah, so I enjoyed it. And so I wanted to come on here to show you that this is what my block is going to look like. You're going to have another, you know, there's 16 blocks, I think, in this one. 3, 6, I think there's a lot of blocks. I think there's 16 blocks. I'm pretty sure. But anyways, I just wanted to give you that little bit of advice just to, you know, breathe. And then I wanted to show you what this looks like too. This is fun. So I recommend the Quilt Factory, you guys. And of course Cozy Quilt Designs. They are really, and Doug Lico. Those 3 so far, you guys, have been like the easiest and best patterns that I have found so far. Of course, you know, you have Lori Holt, you have everybody else, but I'm just, you know, from Donna's videos too, they also help because I went to her videos and I saw how she placed them, and that like completely helped, and I'm grateful for that too. So yeah, and then I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. So I ended up picking these 2, and then this is going to be my border. So I want you to see how fun this is, even for, you know, picking out your yardage too. But that is going to be the border, and if you can tell, that is going to be beautiful. And of course, it'll look different than that. It should be that size right there. So is that not going to be beautiful, you guys? Do you want to see it? Let me show you this way too. Let me turn it this way so that way you guys can see this too. So it should, I mean, I think it's going to go, well, it's going to go, I don't think it's going to go this way, but either way, that way you can see. But look at how pretty that's going to be. And that's it's a Christmas one. So, you guys, let it go. Be an Elsa, all right? Just be an Elsa and just toss it and go, you know what? I'm good. I'm going to have fun. And that's what you need to do, guys. But I just wanted to show you what I want to be doing. I want to do these this year. So that's my focus this year, is to do way more of the Quilt Factory and Cozy Quilt designs. So take care, guys. We'll see y'all later. Bye.